Welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest collection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. Today, we are featuring our top fold, greeting card style funeral program template, which is easily editable via Google Docs. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making useful and helpful content to assist you during a time of loss. We are never prepared to lose a loved one, but gathering knowledge before it happens can be helpful in your funeral planning. Funeral programs today can come in so many different styles, and the Funeral Program site has always been the leader in the industry for innovative and new design trends. The newest program style is the top fold vertical funeral program. This printed memorial is created on a letter-size paper and fold directly down the vertical center, very similar to that of a greeting card. This design can now be quickly created easily with our exclusive Google Docs funeral program template. Let's take a closer look at the template and our green leaf designed program. Google Docs edits online and is a free tool only requiring a Gmail account to gain access. Once you have purchased the template and logged into Google Docs, the template document opens with a two-page layout. The first page displays the front and back of the program. The back page included text is set intentionally upside down and is required because of this type of program. The back page is the only area within the template where the text needs to be upside down. Replace our filler text with your own information carefully. The front page offers a placeholder photo box, but more photos can be added anywhere within the template if desired. We have also noted where the fold line will be after you print for your reference. As you can see in our sample, it folds in the center vertically. The inside page of the program is set so the second page is at the top and third page on the bottom half. Edit by replacing our filler text to your specific information. When you have completed editing, you can print the program directly from this screen. Be sure to set up your printer properties accordingly prior to printing. The setup should be set to print duplex or double-sided, flipping on the long edge. Each printer will vary as far as where this setting is located. If your properties are set up correctly, this is how your printed program should look. The program is set up to print on one sheet, front and back. You are able to add more pages to this template if needed. You will make the fold in the center vertically. The program opens from the bottom up and reveals your program information. Creating a funeral program has never been easier with the tools and templates provided by the Funeral Program site. Visit our online superstore and see this design and our entire collection of DIY funeral programs plus other services, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.